Hello! Today we have a smaller video covering a feature known as damage control. Damage control lets your actors break blocks on your set and reconstructs them back to their original state once the recording is complete, to some extent. Basically, this lets you keep your sets intact so you don't have to rebuild it each time you play your recordings. If you'd rather have this turned off, you can go into the configuration menu by pressing Ctrl+0 and find it underneath the Blockbuster tab. You can also set the radius of the damage control by increasing or decreasing this number value. Now that you get the gist of it, we'll demonstrate a few ways you can use this feature and some bugs that you'll have to work around. First up, if you've recorded yourself spawning entities or dropping items, these will apply to damage control. You can reset spawned mobs and thrown items just like blocks. Damage control will not apply to item frame interaction. Actors can still use them if you've enabled fake player, but the orientation of the item will not reset if damage control is on. Next up, containment blocks like chests, furnaces, and hoppers can work with damage control to an extent. If the block has items inside of it and you break it with damage control on, the items will disappear like we covered previously, and the block will be reset back to its former location. However, the contents of the block cannot be reset to what it was before. So remember to have backup chests if you're working with recordings where an actor breaks a filled chest, because you may not get those items back. Finally, this feature does not work well with DecoCraft or possibly some other modded blocks. You can break them and it'll apply to damage control. However, it seems that if you interact with any of these blocks and then break them, they will not restore correctly. So keep this in mind when working with damage control and DecoCraft blocks or any other modded blocks. That's all for today's mini guide video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. In the description is McHorse's Discord if you have any questions. Also, make sure to check out this playlist on the top right for more Blockbuster tip videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and goodbye!